Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share files and folders in Microsoft OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. OneDrive will then redirect you to your main dashboard where you can view and manage all your files. The dashboard is your central hub for accessing everything you've stored in the cloud. Now, to share your OneDrive files and folders, start by looking at the left-hand menu on your screen. You'll see several navigation tabs here that help you organize and access your content. Look for the option labeled My Files and click on it. This will display all the files and folders you've synced to your OneDrive account, making it easy to browse through your stored content. Once you're viewing your files, simply select the file you wish to share by clicking on the small checkmark located on the left side of the file. This checkmark appears next to each file and allows you to select one or multiple items at once. After you've selected your file, you'll notice that an action menu appears at the top part of your screen. This menu contains various options for managing your selected files. From this action menu, look for and click on the Share button. Clicking this will open a share window that gives you multiple options for sharing your file. This window is designed to make sharing quick and flexible, whether you're sending to one person or many. In the share window, you have two main options. The first option is to share the file directly via email. Simply fill out the contact field with the email address of the person you want to share with, and they'll receive a link to access your file. The second option is to copy a shareable link. Just click on the Copy Link button and you'll have a URL copied to your clipboard. This link can be shared through various platforms like messaging apps, social media, or anywhere else you need to distribute it. And that's it. You've now set up file sharing in OneDrive, giving you the flexibility to share your content however works best for you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.